Nothing says home sweet home like a picket fence. These well-made pine fences from Cole Timbers come ready to assemble in 6 different heights. Whether you're replacing an old fence or starting from scratch, we have the installation steps for you to follow in this video, whether you're DIYing the job or getting it installed for you. First, dismantle the old fence and remove the old timber. Next, focus your attention on the pine posts. The pine posts are the structure of the fence and hold it upright. Make use of a chalk line. Chalk lines have built-in levels nowadays which make it easy to keep the line straight so that the posts and the post holes follow in a line. Once you're happy with your chalk line, then make marks at the right measurements for the post holes. Dig the holes about ½ a meter deep and wide enough to fill in with some soil and cement. Use cement to fill in the hole to make the posts more secure and upright. The cement takes 48 hours to cure, so you can manipulate the post and straighten it up in the meantime. Always make use of a level. Once the pine posts are in position, you can take the ready-to-assemble picket fence sections and secure them to the posts and each other. Once you are happy with the position, use the appropriate length wood screws and secure to the pine posts and the adjacent picket fence. Here's a tip. We dip sealed the bottom of the posts because they went into the ground first. It'll just make painting them easier further along the line. And as you can see, we are creating a beautiful garden with these picket fence products. We made use of the smaller picket fence to create beautiful garden beds. Now that the fence is upright and secure, the final stage is to stain or cover it and seal it with the appropriate sealer. Make sure it's for external use and that'll safeguard the pine from rain and the elements. That way your picket fence will last so much longer for you to enjoy in your beautiful garden. And those are the steps to either DIY install a picket fence from Cole Timbers or have it installed for you. Use these picket fences to create a perimeter around your property, to create garden beds, maybe a fence around a pool, or maybe you just need a fence to safeguard and enclose pets. Make sure to visit swartland.co.za and check up on the Cole Timber products that you can use in your garden and awesome DIY inspiration. Whether it's installation of a pre-assembled picket fence or a DIY pergola and outdoor furniture, you can make this all possible with Cole Timbers.